Alright, so what we're going to be looking at today is how to access different pieces of music that would be used in my classroom, showing how to look at problem areas or everything on your computer. I'm going to go ahead and use it in a PDF form, so I'll use some knowledge that we've already learned prior in this summer semester. So we're going to get started by going to the web page, which I would normally put in the search bar right up here, but I actually already have it open. It's just musicnotes.com, and what I would do is I would share my music that I've previously bought with students already, unless they're doing a specific solo that I didn't have in my repertoire. I might ask them to purchase a song. The song we're going to be looking at, this is my old account, so it's not full of everything, but is actually going to be from a wedding I did this last year. So first you're going to go to, you're going to log in first of all with your account information, and I've already done that. So I'll go to view my account. From there I'll go to look at my digital sheet music. So you can also download an app from your Google Play Store or your MacBook. It is on my MacBook, but I do not have it on this computer, so I'm just going to go ahead and convert it to a PDF. So how I would do that is I would click print, make sure it's the right piece, make sure I have everything I need size wise. Go ahead and click to print over here. And as you can see right here, I already have it to save as a PDF. If I wanted to change that and just go ahead and print it, I can select one of my mini printers here. We're going to go ahead and save it as a PDF so we can edit it on our computer and just keep it here. So I'll go ahead and click save, and make sure you put a title on it that you will be able to recognize and find easily. Alright, so now I'll go, and I have all my desktop files here. It's a little messy, but I'll go to my file, and here's my piece. And so what I would want to do is show students problem areas, look through it, have them realize, key signatures, timing, everything where it's really easy, and have them identify problem areas with either speed of notes, range of notes, or embellishments. So what I would do is have them go to an editor of some sort and probably highlight go ahead and actually circle or highlight this first section for its range right here. And then we'll come down here and look at more of these tricky rhythms. So we'll go to a pen, and we'll recognize that this section right here, we're going to look at this because it's a different note length than what we've been playing. And then we're definitely going to want to circle, not even highlight, circle, highlight a little bit of everything on this section to recognize it as a part that we really need to work on. So, do whatever they need to do. And that would be how I would have students work on their pieces for class.